Okay, so this is your final tutorial project for week 3, and what you're going to do is get a little object from around your house. Get 2 or 3. So I'm going to use this ink bottle, right? So exactly like we were doing, you're going to just hold this ink bottle in your hand, um, and then find something related to these forms that we've been working on. And then, so see, I can kind of get my cylindrical schema here. And then you're also just checking some of the stuff that we talked about, like this cylinder is going to be more closed. And then, I mean, this circle is going to be more closed, and then the base of the ink bottle is more of a circle. So I actually can see that, right? Here's the label. The label is also going to form a circle. You could set up a little still life on your table if you wanted to, but I like to hold these in my hand so I can just turn them. It makes it more abstract. Now see how challenging all of this stuff is. Just, centering this and then building another cylinder on top of it and getting those proportions correct, right? And making sure that they are based off the same axis. Cool. So I'm looking kind of up here. This is my eye line. So all of the circles here are going to become more narrow. They're going to become less circles, less circly. All right. So then we have this. I can see the little screw in the neck. I can see. So here's the base of the cap, and then the cap gets a little bigger. So as I'm drawing, I'm totally conscious of this is the biggest circle. This gets narrower. This is getting more narrow. This is really narrow, and it takes me a lot to get it. And see how I lost the center. The center's here, and I drew more on this side. So all of it is about just hanging in tension with the difficulty. Okay, that's about right. That's about right. These lines don't look too smooth, but I don't mind that. I don't mind it breaking down into a drawing, right? Really have a sense of where that center is. This is the base of the rubber stopper thing. And boy, that gets really narrow. I don't mind the sketchiness or the shakiness of my hand. And that's the stopper. Maybe try to place a ball there or something. And I can see what's wrong with it proportionally. I think that all of this should be bigger. But that's okay. That's why I just keep trying. Okay, I'm going to stay true to the axis. I'm going to make this bigger. I'm going to this is going to stay pretty narrow. It's usually nice to just draw with a loose hand, Somehow being loose ends up being more correct. And then this, what I was missing in the other one is that taper. can start working through the textures. And notice, like, see how close these lines are really close together. I'm not really interested in drawing it accurately, although you could, I guess, at the micron or something. I'm more interested in like creating an experience. You're creating like kind of a touch record of what this object is like. It's got a little phalange at the base. There's that part. That's not quite right. There's the label. Cool. And look at how interesting the light is, especially on glass. That part is dark. I just make X's when I want something to be black. There's a cool reflection here. And then that's a tone, right? So I have a pretty cool path to inking this. All right, now, just like before, take the same object and turn it 3 times and draw it 3 times, right? And keep in mind those same, try to locate the schema, right? Okay. Cool. So stacking those circles. So see, I'm really thinking about a series of cylinders here. And I can now see how short the bottle looks when I'm holding it this way. Cool. So so you get kind of the idea. Hold an object in your hand. And then try to use schema. So in other words, it helps if you're using like something related to the exercises that we've been doing, like a coffee cup or coffee cup or something cylindrical, or something where you can easily see sort of the geometric underpinning of it, and then draw 3 times, and that's from different perspectives. And then your final move is to ink and shade, like we've been doing. Ink and shade. Okay, cool. And that is it. And I hope you have fun with that. Yeah, that's it for that assignment.